Siin on koasaiad. 5, but no burning. Show me what you have. Huh? Show me what you have. Yeah, boy. Show me other side. Yeah, good. 5. 5 pieces. See on boy. Poiss kaevab sealt oma rattakorvist mulle 5 tükki. How much? Thank you. How much? 20. What else you have? Show me. How you call it? What is the name?
Srigan.
Svigan? Oi, ma ei saanud midagi aru, mis ta ütles, aga what else you have? Cow? And what else you have? Oi, this also, but you have something else there. Vot nüüd erikujulised saiakesed. Vot nii, sellised asjad on siin. Ma näitan sulle kaugemalt ka seda poissi, ta on selline jalgratas ja õhtuti ja hommikul piibitades tuuaksegi siis värsket saia ja mida see poiss siis ostab, kohe vaatame. And what you are buying? Aha, you also take boy. No vot, see on siis Preedvalla. Ja siin on mangod.